In the rapidly evolving landscape of architectural and engineering services, 3D laser scanning has emerged as a groundbreaking technology, revolutionizing the way professionals capture and analyze spatial data. At the forefront of this innovation in Dubai stands Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, a company that has successfully extended its expertise to the bustling metropolis of the United Arab Emirates. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers state-of-the-art 3D laser scanning services that provide unparalleled accuracy and efficiency in data collection. Their advanced scanning technology captures millions of data points per second, creating highly detailed and precise 3D models of buildings, infrastructure, and complex industrial environments. This cutting-edge approach significantly reduces the time and cost associated with traditional surveying methods while dramatically improving the quality and reliability of the data collected. The company's presence in Dubai underscores its commitment to serving the region's burgeoning construction and development sectors. By leveraging their extensive experience and technical prowess, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has positioned itself as a trusted partner for businesses seeking to harness the power of 3D laser scanning technology. Their services cater to a wide range of industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, heritage preservation, and facility management. One of the key advantages of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's 3D laser scanning services is the ability to capture comprehensive data of existing structures with minimal disruption to ongoing operations. This non-intrusive approach is particularly valuable in sensitive environments such as historical sites, operational industrial facilities, and busy urban areas. The resulting 3D point clouds and models serve as an invaluable resource for project planning, design optimization, and decision-making processes. The company employs a team of highly skilled professionals who are adept at utilizing the latest 3D laser scanning equipment and software. Their expertise ensures that clients receive not only raw data but also meaningful insights and actionable information. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's commitment to staying at the forefront of technological advancements means that their clients benefit from the most up-to-date scanning methodologies and data processing techniques available in the industry. In the context of Dubai's ambitious architectural